everyone, welcome to Vaishi Makeup. My name is Anamika. I am the owner of brand Vaishi and I'm going to share with you how you can step up your concealer or makeup game. And I'm not right now wearing any makeup, and when you don't wear any makeup and come on screen, you don't feel comfortable, but I want to feel comfortable. I want to show my real self to you without any filter or anything, and that is why no makeup, nothing, like nothing. Okay, so to start with, I'm going to use the Wise blender and the small concealer blender or the small mini blender which comes with the Wise blender. These two are your must have thing if you are a beginner in makeup, or if you are new in makeup, or if you want to step up your game, or if you are not comfortable with brushes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with applying foundation. Although this video is not about the foundation, but I'm going to do it just to show you how you can step up your makeup game with the concealer, and what are the main points to apply concealer. Okay, so I'm applying my foundation on my face. Whenever you apply foundation, I generally prefer to apply foundation with my finger, because that way you save on lot of foundation. Okay, that's my trick. If you are applying it on a client or someone or on your friend, then don't use your finger, avoid fingers. We are maintaining as much hygiene as possible. So I have wet this blender and I'm going to dab it. If you see, because of this blender, I will be able to create a base, and this blender is not going to soak a lot of foundation, and super soft. The size of this blender is very big, so it do its job in a minute, and that is the reason we have a small blender to do the other job. So I'm going to use a small blender for the concealing, and I'm going to use this blender for my base. So generally, if you are new to makeup, you should use blender. Blender, I think, is something which is like a miraculous product, and everyone should have it, no matter if you are a beginner or a pro. It just gives you that airbrush finish. It makes your face look flawless, so it's kind of a good thing. So I'm using this LA Girl foundation. This is one of my favorite foundation. It's a high definition long wear foundation, illuminating foundation, and link of this foundation I'll give in the description box. To start with, I'm going to apply the concealer on my brow area, above the brow as well as below the brow. So this trick helps you in defining your brows. If you have like unruly brows, and if you have like thin brows, then this is a very good trick, this applying concealer above and below your brow. So only thing which you have to keep in mind is to apply a smooth concealer when you are applying the concealer on your brows, under and above it. So I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer, and I am going to just take this and apply a line above my brow. Okay, so very simple trick. You're going to love it once you get addicted to it, and if you're a brow person like me, you will see yourself doing it often. So I'm using this Vaishi flat brush. You can use any flat brush which you like for this. Now you can take the same brush and just blend it. Use a good brush, guys, so that blending becomes easy. And if you see, my brows will look more prominent and more attractive after I do this. So that's your first way to apply the concealer to step up your makeup game. Second place to apply concealer is around your nostrils. This is the area which most women or most of us tend to ignore, and it makes our capillaries look visible. So to apply this or to use this technique, I suggest to use a doe foot applicator and apply it on the corner of your nose and around your nostrils. So this way your makeup will not look uneven and it will look pretty prominent. Okay. Now I'm going to use a small blender and just dab it. This way my nose looks pretty more even and done. Third way to apply concealer to step up your makeup game is applying it under your eyes. That we all know, but I'm going to share with you something extra, otherwise what's the use of sharing hacks. So I'm going to take this concealer and apply it under my eyes, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it in the inner corner as well. When you apply the concealer in the inner corner of your eyes looks much brighter, and for this thing I suggest that you use a liquid concealer so that it is easy to blend. You can use a brush also to use this trick, but I generally prefer a blender, small blender. Look at this. This might look a little more right now, but once it gets blended out, it's not going to look like that. You must have seen that most of us in India have kind of dark lips, and the lipstick which we swatch on our back of our hand, or even when we apply, it doesn't look that bright because of our lip pigmentation. So concealer is the best way to solve that problem. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the little concealer on my lips, take the blender and then dab it. I'm also going to apply the concealer on the corner of my mouth because this area tends to be dark too, and it will then help us in concealing the darkness. Now my lips look very even with concealing, and if I apply lipstick now, not only it's going to stay for a longer time, it's also going to show its true color. So look at this red, it looks so bright. It wouldn't have looked the same if I wouldn't have worn it without the concealer, because I do have a lot of pigmentation on the corner of my mouth and on my lips as well. The last hack is to apply the concealer at the center of your chin. This is something which gets ignored by most of us. If you apply a little bit of concealer just at the center of the chin, then it will bring attention to your lipstick. It will also make your face look a little balanced. And apply the same on the forehead as well, so it's kind of balances out. It's a little trick which with few people follow, and it works. So there are many more concealer hacks. If you enjoyed this video, then let me know. I would love to do more of these hacks again. And don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram, my channel, and follow me wherever you want to. I'll see you again. Bye.